Alrighty, today we're going to go over how to draw Puss in Boots. I'm going to go over just his head. It's going to be simple, easy, for beginners, so let's get started, okay? First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the underside of his face. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw kind of pull line curve there, back a little bit. It's going to be little zigzags to kind of show the texture of his fur. Pulling in. Alright, pulling down here for kind of the chin that he has, and there's going to be zigzags as well underneath. Pulling up, leaning out, up over here. Alright, so you got the shape of his face. Now what we're going to do is first is we're going to frame it with the hat. His hat that is up here. So curve over here. Pulling back over here up. Down over here. Up over there. So we have the brim of his hat. He's got that kind of swashbuckler's hat line over here up. It's folded up on this one side, and I'm gonna continue to kind of pull up for the rest of the side of his hat. If you're a big fan of Puss in Boots, hit that like button, okay? It's gonna help the algorithm out, it's gonna help out the channel. So alrighty, curve right here, kind of the belt around his hat, up, in, curve up, pulling out, down right here. On this side, I'm going to find the rest of the upper part of that hat. So I'm going to pull up over here, curve in. Going to go around this side, pulling up, curve down for that feather that he has. Zigzagging down that. And over here I'm going to find the texture. Thin lines pulling down in the same direction for that feather. Right there, it's hanging off. Good, good so far. I'm going to have this, the kind of like it's buttoned in there. Going to go right here, curve down. Go here, curve up. Down. Curve right here, so now I have the top portion of these, cute cat eyes, which, he is. Line over here. Gonna go over here. Line over here. Up, up. Downward. Up for kind of the nose area. And right here, so you have the V for the nose, okay? So what I'm gonna do around that area is I'm gonna go right here. Boom, boom, almost like a little top of a heart right there for the nose itself. You could draw a little dot right here underneath on each side for the nostril. Down right here for the mouth. Pull it out, up. Out, up. Cool, cool. So far so good, so far so good, okay? And you have that under mouth on that side. What I want you to do now is I want you to curve over here for the eye. Curve on this side. Same thing on this side right here. Curve, curve. And now we're going to find the inner eye. Curve, 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 curve. Circle. Fill it in. Circle on this side. Fill it in. Line. Line. We're going to go around here around the face. Don't forget, if you like learning how to draw anything you want, hit the subscribe, click the bell notification. I'm going to go over how to draw pretty much anything. What I want you to do is to go in the comments and say hi. I'll reply to every single comment. What else I want you to do is I want you to kind of tell me what else you want to see on the channel, and I will make it happen. All right, curve in, curve in. Right there, just kind of make the smile a little bit more prominent, right? That's kind of a big thing. What we can do with a thinner line. Thinner is line right there, just very thin. And what we're trying to do is show a little bit of a color differentiation right there. Very, very minor. All right. Now we're going to go and put something that I think is really important, the whiskers. So I'm going to start around the face right here. Pull out far, pull out far. All right. Same thing on this side. Out, out, out. Very, very, you know, subtle, important. I think it's, you know, kind of prominent for you to do that. So if you want me to see another tutorial on how to draw his entire body, let me know. I'm going to fill in this just underneath. So I want to do over here, line in, line over here, out, and I'm drawing a thicker line around the entire head because what I want it to do is I want it to be kind of framed out. I want it to be framed out, and I want it to be more obvious. And so something you do in line art would be, you know, thickening out that outer edge. Right there, you're kind of creating a border around it, kind of make it look almost like you're kind of almost making it look like a sticker of some kind. You can put a little fold right here where he's folding the hat, like maybe like a curve right there. And I can create some compression line over here. If you want to learn how to draw in general, go into the description, and I teach you how to draw anatomy. I teach you how to draw people and everything. I want you to go over there and do what you can. I'm sorry. You will be able to do. You'll be able to draw whatever you want if you check out the lessons on Skillshare that I have. That is a very big thing. It is meant to help you improve. Even if you're a complete beginner right now, you can absolutely improve your drawing and become a professional or do whatever it is that you like. So, and if for extra effect here, you can draw a thicker line around the bottom of the hat there. And it's going to make it look almost like this illusion of shadow, this kind of, I don't know, this kind of just, again, pretty much just, I guess, foreshortening, I'm sorry, not foreshortening, this kind of shorthand for shadow. That's it. Thank you so much. I want you to get ready and see the next lesson that's going to appear on the page. Check it out. Click to see more. The more you do this stuff, the better you're going to get. It's actually really fun. Thank you so much. See you later, Art Ninjas.